Social stories. Using a calm voice. Hi. Today I want to talk about using a calm voice. Sometimes when I'm excited, upset, or frustrated, my voice can get louder. I might yell, shout, or talk in a way that sounds angry. That happens to everyone sometimes, even grown-ups. But using a calm voice helps other people understand me, and it helps conversations go better. When I notice my voice getting louder, I can check my volume. I can think. What number is my voice right now? I can imagine a volume scale. 1 is a whisper. 2 is quiet talking. 3 is normal talking. 4 is loud. 5 is yelling. Most of the time, 3 is the best voice to use. If my voice is at a 4 or 5, I don't need to feel bad. I can adjust. Here are things I can do to help my voice stay calm. I can slow down my words. When I speak slower, my voice gets calmer automatically. I can press my hands together or against a wall. This helps my body release strong energy quietly instead of through volume. I can take space. I can say, I need a minute. Taking a short pause helps my voice reset. I can try again. If I yelled the first time, I can say, let me say that again in a calm voice. People listen better when I speak calmly. If I need something, I can use clear words like, can you please listen to me? I don't like that. I need help. I'm upset, but I'm trying to stay calm. Using a calm voice doesn't mean I have to feel calm inside right away. It means I am choosing how I want to speak. That is self-control. And self-control is strength. When I use a calm voice, people understand me better. Problems get solved faster. I feel more confident. Others feel comfortable around me. I am learning to notice my volume, adjust when I need to, and speak in a way that helps things go well. And that shows that I am growing, learning, and becoming more in control every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more social stories. Until then, take care.